think in the next 10 years we will grow spiritually, so we don't just attend but actually part of the church and we are part of the family.
I'm hoping that in the coming 10 years that we will blossom bigger and have a bigger church.
希望10年後嘅蘇豪台可以多啲人啦，同埋可以咧出產更多嘅宣教士去到世界唔同嘅國家去宣教。
希望苏豪堂未來10年當中有更多的人來到這裡，大家相親相愛，共同進步耶。
I think we can serve the next generation of younger people a lot better and to bring them closer to God.
希望所有人都一齊侍奉啦，大家都係讀經啦，查經啦，行啦，
希望嚟緊嘅日子，蘇方同阿弟子會唔係淨係做一個星期日嘅信徒，但係喺讀經禱告，每日與主同行。